How you doing, Steve? Viewers aren't that happy with your haircut. I had to do it. It's a heat wave and it was too furry. Rex doesn't mind. Although all of his fur is nice and soft. Doesn't need any work. He's magic. A lazy breeze from the west. That doesn't feel too bad out right now. Looks beautiful. Look at that glassy water. Boats are pointed to the west. We've got multi-layered sky. We've got cirrus and altocumulus and altostratus. There's a front pretty close by. Little less sunshine today. Better chance for a shower or storm, so not quite as hot. The dew point is about 70 right now. If we get the wind to pick up a little bit, I think the dew point is going to come down. Temperature is supposed to go to about 92 or 93 today with the dew point in the lower and mid 60s. So the heat index today should remain below 100 degrees despite the heat advisory that's issued. Anybody that's working outdoors knows it's plenty hot. It's too hot. Yesterday on the dashboard thermometer, seriously, 102. That's because the pavement is so hot. It reflects that heat up. The actual temperature at Logan Airport yesterday got to 98 degrees and the dew point only went down to 62. So the heat index yesterday ended up being 98. The temperature was 97. I'm sorry. We broke the record of 96 with a temperature of 97 and the heat index was 98. So it seems like all the people on the radio and the TV always want to out heat index each other. Oh, 101, 102, 103. Well, you'll probably get that wish to come true this weekend. It looks miserable this weekend. After today with a scattered shower or a thunderstorm, there's the 7 o'clock map. Look at that, one cell right over Boston. Yes, please, please, please. The temperature over the next couple of days, it may not hit 90 tomorrow, believe it or not, but the dew point's going to be in the 70s, so it's going to be just as uncomfortable. Better chance for a shower and a thunderstorm tomorrow. And then Sunday and Monday look pretty miserable with temperatures back in the 90s and a better chance for a shower and a thunderstorm, and the dew point's going to stay in the 70s. So yesterday we had subsidence, which is sinking air, which causes drying and blue sky, and that was only in southern New England. Vermont got nailed last night. Well, let's look at the CocoRa's chart. Central New York, Oneida, got 2.5 inches of rain, and we had 1.5 inches into Unity, New Hampshire. I think that's where that is. So Mitch yesterday said 84 at his house at Reedsboro, Vermont, way up in the hills. It's about as warm or as hot as it gets, but then he got another batch of rain. We could use a batch of rain. Better chance of some rain showers in southern New England, really, Monday and Tuesday as the heat breaks. GFS actually has a high temperature near 60 on Tuesday. I think the Euro is still in the mid-90s. So the temperature on Tuesday is going to be in the 60s, 70s, 80s, or 90s. And then it is going to turn cooler the second half of next week. And we actually have a trough forming in the northeast for the middle of August. So it'll be much more comfortable here. And maybe that'll bring us some showers. But right now, there's not really much good news. Not much wind today. May come around from the southeast and then the southwest and pick up. And then it looks more windy. Look at all that action. Everyone says, where are the bees? Where are the bees? They're on Tim's sunflower, that's for sure. All right, so not a lot to report here. I've been kind of working on other stuff. And yesterday, during the evening, a tanker went by, and the name of the tanker was Nor'easter. Hopefully that's prophetic, and we can get one of those in the middle of August. That's why I've got these stakes on my sunflowers. Last year, they all blew down with summer nor'easters. Not this year. Yeah, I think the sun may be impacting the thermometer at 107. Record heat today, at least 97 Boston, but I haven't checked in a couple of hours. Maybe made it to 99 or 98. And the name of this tanker incoming is Nor'easter. Could almost use one of those right now. Thanks for the fuel. Keep cool instead of warm. There's a nice breeze though. And also for your entertainment, how about a couple of edits from what happens when we go in the door after going out the door?
What are you doing? Come here, Rex.
Sometimes it gets really active. You need to go right back out the door again. No.
Come on, Rex. This way. Where's Steve?